There is an experiment happening. I can't say much, but there's an experiment happening.
What's up, guys? KJT here with Jake, and we're doing a teardown. Unfortunately, he had the 625 head studs and block inserts done by a shop, and he has since relifted the heads only a short period after having the work done. So we're here in Davy's garage. Thank you, Davy, for letting us use the space. Doing a full teardown, and we're gonna, change the head gaskets, redo the head studs the correct way to keep them from lifting, and get him back on the road. This job should take about 2 days. So we're just getting started. Not too long ago, he made the 13-hour drive, to come to Colorado to have everything done. So this is where we are today.
I want to make sure it's done the right way.
Bro, I give up. Can someone tell me what the purpose of a cat claw washer is? Can someone please tell me the purpose of cat claw washers? This is the shop's work. They literally installed the cat claw washers upside down. You can't be serious, bro. And you guys fear me coming to your house to put your engine together? Yet you send your engines off, you send your cars off to shops, and they don't even understand the concept of cat claw washers.
Already had low pressure. Alright. Ready? Yep.